Oh shit! Whoa! Holy crap!
What just happened?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Whoa! Is that the power supply that just went?
I don't know.
Holy crap!
That's what you call a Stack Overflow.
You beeped too many times.
It was still on.
It's still working.
It was still working.
Sounded like a freaking coffee maker for a second. I was like, was it making espresso now?
That's right.
I do believe that was the... came from under the keyboard.
Yeah.
Too much typing. You were just doing too much typing, man. Holy shit.
I don't know what that was, no.
Wow. Well,
Sorry.
holy shit.
At least I got all shots, right?
So last words?
Well, let's put it back together so we can take the picture. We don't have to have it on.
But it was still working, although it was on fire.
It was working.
That would have been so awesome if it would have did that while I was typing.
Oh, right?
Oh my god.
Real mini to burning up the keyboard. Holy shit. Wow.
That's just a reminder, if anything happens, keep going with the shot.
Yeah.
Right.
Damn.
Did you get the shot?